Buffalo Valley Combo has a beautiful custom-built home and a 2-story shop on 90 national park-like acres. Drive from the paved county road through your gated entrance and up the winding drive past ponds and a lake into the property to the home and shop. You will gasp at the breathtaking mountain views. The 1,724 square foot home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a large laundry room. The beamed cathedral ceilings will catch your attention along with the large double-sided stone fireplace that is situated between the living area and the kitchen dining area. The massive windows across the front of the living area provide awe-inspiring views of the ever-changing mountains. The remainder of the house features 10-foot ceilings, nice crown moldings, stained concrete floors, and granite countertops. 2 bedrooms feature atrium doors leading to the outdoors and awaiting adventures. The 2-story shop sports 2 10-foot wide overhead doors and a walk-in door. The well and underground storm shelter are located inside the insulated shop. The construction is impressive with heavy steel beams and a complete second story with staircase. The property is about 40% open pasture, has 7 ponds, including the main pond that is spring-fed and over 18 feet deep, stocked with fish. The forested areas have a mix of hardwoods, large pine trees, and prepared ATV trails for your exploration and hunting enjoyment. Call today to view the Buffalo Valley Combo.